beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm excited today to show you my bedroom makeover. I was talking in previous videos about how I was going to do it because it just didn't feel right anymore. I think after spending so much time in my bedroom when I was having treatment, feeling ill, I just wanted to get rid of any reminders. So yeah, I just completely changed it. So the room is finally done. It took longer than I anticipated. No particular reason, just didn't rush it because, you know, there was no need to rush it. But yeah, I think I am finally done. So I cannot wait to show you everything. I haven't replaced any of the furniture. It is just literally the accessories. So I'm going to show you how much of a huge difference they can make. I am so pleased with it because it just feels so much more calming in here. So much more soothing and relaxing. Yeah, just more me, I think now. So I'm going to show you around and I'll tell you where everything was, but we will just have a little look first. I'm going to talk through the changes with you. I changed the lamps to these feather ones. I you can get a little bit of a better idea of it there. I'll just switch it off. So there you can see it's like a feather bedside lamp. They were from Dunelm. I've got one of those either side. But I tend to use this more. This is a Himalayan salt crystal lamp, which is meant to be better for sort of purifying the air, reducing stress, asthma, meant to have a lot of benefits. So I thought I would give that a go. My phone charger is still here. Should just mention, got that from Amazon. Phone charger is still here. I do tend to move that to the floor actually when I'm in bed. Never sure whether it's advisable to have it so close to where you sleep in. So yeah, that was from Amazon as well. Little coaster there. I think I've got 4 of those. They were from B&M, and I've got my little rose quartz crystal there, which I keep at the side of my bed at the moment. That was from Amazon. Were in the room before. I'm trying to think where I got those from. I think it was something like Furniture Direct. It's an online company. In these drawers, top one, candle lighters. I've also got a mirror. I will explain what that's for in another video. That was just £1 from the pound shop. That isn't underwear. It is you're meant to put it on your head at night, so it's like a sleep hat, which is meant, if you've got hair like mine, which is frizzy, to kind of tame the curls a little bit and reduce the frizz, but it's always off when I wake up in the morning. The other drawers have just got books in, some incense there, and my water bottle that I keep at the side of my bed to try and Drink lots of water. That's how much you're meant to drink in a day. It is doable, but I end up the rest of the time I think on the loo, but never mind. Looking at the side of the bed, I've got a rug under it which almost goes the length of the room. This was from IKEA. I thought, oh, I'll just lift the bed, slide it under. That wasn't going to happen. Ended up having to take the bed apart to get it under. So yeah, I'm a little bit paranoid about spilling anything on it, or like, you know, one spot getting dirty where you get in and out of bed. So yeah, slippers. These were from Primark. I think they were around Christmas time actually. They're a little bit of a dupe of the sliders from the White Company. White Company ones go across, I think, but these will do. They're very comfy. The mirror then, there, I had before in the bedroom. That was from, I think, eBay, about £70. The salt crystal lamp was, I think, about, you can get those for about 20. So going back over this side then, I got the dog a new bed, a new big boy's bed, because if you have seen him on my channel before, you might remember that I bought him like a unicorn bed, which he does love, to be fair, but I just thought he's a big boy now, he needs a bit more of a plusher bed. So I got that one from Matalan. It's really, really soft. Not sure he's taken to it yet. He's put his toy in it though, so he's staked his claim on it, which is a good thing. Moving up then, we have a new picture. I had the I don't do fashion, I am fashion print there from Desenio, but I've swapped that for another Desenio print, which is a spiritual one. So you've got the all-seeing eye sort of in the middle there, the sun and the moon. The frame is from Pound Shop, which I think is great value. Moving down here then, and I got this, it's a yoga cushion, which I think was from Amazon or eBay? I think I got it from Amazon. I will double check that and pop the link in the details at the bottom. Your wardrobe, again, was in the bedroom before. So you can see the rug again there. The bed then was in here before. This is a Dwell double bed. So I changed the bedding. The duvet is IKEA, as is the throw on top. I just love the kind of stretchy texture of this. The cushions, these at the back I got from IKEA. They're just plain white cushion. The feathered ones at the front I got from eBay. You can get similar from Shein. They're just cushion covers, so you have to put the cushions inside. Above the bed, I just swapped one of the pictures. So I think the ones that are there now are just a little bit more suited. One had a bit of pink in it, so I just swapped one that was in another room. The frames again are from Poundland. Moving over here then, and I swapped the picture here. I had the Kate Moss picture, which I swapped for a yoga lotus pose picture. Again, actually no, this was a IKEA frame, I think. I think that's gone out, hasn't it? I love the smell of incense. It's the only thing that seems to actually smell, if you know what I mean. Candles, I just don't seem to get a lot of scent from, but I love the smell from incense. So the print was from Desenio. This incense holder was from Poundland, and so was the incense. I do want to replace that with some better incense, to be fair. This is a little vase. I thought it was going to be bigger than that, to be fair. I never learned to check the measurements, do I? But I like it. So yeah, that was from eBay. I've got, well, it's vase really here, but I've got a tea light in it. That was from Facebook Marketplace. I just like the rib design there. It's very sort of white company again. In my little basket here, so this basket here was from B&M, and I've got a yoga mat in here, which was from Amazon. It's the only place I could find a white one. They're really difficult to find, I suppose, because they get dirty. But yeah, yoga mat. And then also in here I've got a sage smudge stick, which I'm going to talk about in another video. Oh look, you can still see the price reflecting on the basket. I haven't took it off yet. I've also got some healing crystals. This was just a starter pack. I got these and the sage smudge stick from Psychic Tree. I'll link them as well. But my friend Natalie, that's got a therapy centre, is also starting to sell crystals and smudge sticks as well. So I will link her. And there's also in here a shell which you use when you are saging. The Palo Santo sticks there as well. And these shouldn't really be in here, but they just smell nice and I haven't used them there. It's bath salts, which again I got from the Psychic Tree. That's Himalayan salt throat chakra. So the fireplace was here before I actually put that in. There would have been a fireplace here originally, but when I got the house it had been removed. Just straighten that up. Yeah, when I got the house it had been removed. And I got this one from eBay, which had been taken from an old house, reconditioned, and that was put in. Then I've just put a load of pillar candles in there. I haven't lit them yet. I'm in two minds whether or not to light any of them. It just doesn't seem quite safe. The flue is actually blocked, so there's nowhere for any smoke to go or anything like that. There's so many candles in here, I'm actually debating whether or not I should get a fire extinguisher. So yeah, that's something to think about. And then we've got this floor, I think they're called floor cushions. And again, that is from IKEA. This I got a little while ago. It's actually been in the conservatory, but I thought it just matched this room much better now. So I've brought that in here. The curtains then I replaced as well. I don't know if you remember, I had the long sort of velvety curtains, but I've swapped them for these linen curtains, which again, these are from IKEA. And yes, they're too long, but I quite like the way they kind of drape on the floor. I think it just gives it a softer feeling. The curtain pole I had before, that was from B&M, with the crystal detail on the end there. So there's no TV in here or much electrical stuff really. If I want to watch TV, I'll go in the other room. Want to try and keep it sort of out of the bedroom. There's no music in here either, which is one thing that I do miss. So if I want to listen to music, it tends to have to be on my phone. So that is something I want to think about, because I do like to have maybe something like 5 to 8 hertz music on in here. Having said that, I don't mind it too quiet because I got a wind chime that is outside. Miserable day. Don't know if you'll be able to hear it. So yeah, I like laying in bed, listening to the wind chimes. Just hope the neighbours feel the same, to be honest. This, again, another candle holder. This was from the original factory shop. I've had that a couple of years, but that lived somewhere else before now. Again, those drawers were here before, as was the plant. That's a peace lily, which is meant to purify the air. And I think the pot was just from B&M, it's a plastic pot. To the side of that then, I've just got this ceramic pot. It's like an old medicine bottle, isn't it? Which I got from Facebook Marketplace, and in it I've got some dried lavender, which I actually got from my mum's garden. And then finally, I think that's everything. Got the other lamp there, and I've got a framed picture here. It's got my dad one side. This picture frame is from IKEA, so it's like a double-sided thing. Got an old picture of my dad there, which isn't quite straight, I know. The card from some flowers my mum sent me when I was poorly. And on the other side, I've actually got some pictures of me. Now, that isn't vain. I'm going to talk about why I've got those in another video. So, yeah, that lives there as well. The only thing I haven't put back in yet is my air purifier, which I need to get an extension for, because I think I'm going to put it up there. And I don't want the cable sort of showing along there. So yeah, that's it. That's all the changes. The lampshade then I actually had in my office room. This one was from B&Q. I've just swapped the two round. It does match the side lamps, but they were from Dunelm's, as I say. The lampshade that was there I've put in the office room along with some of the other stuff that was in this room, because they were just too good to get rid of. You know, you don't get anything for selling stuff nowadays. So yeah, the office room's just had a little bit of a mini makeover. And yeah, really pleased with this room. Oh, the only other thing that I meant to mention was the wall at the back. This was grey, if you remember, and it was meant to be sort of a glittery grey paint, but it wasn't that glittery. But I just think it's so much brighter now that it's white. So there we go. I hope you like it as much as I do. I'm really pleased with the way it's turned out. If you do have any questions, do pop me a message in the comments box below. I hope you have all enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for all those other bits and pieces that I'm going to be talking about in other videos. It would mean the world to me if you did, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.